and useful of microorganisms. As a recycle of nutrient as decomposer, rhizobium bacteria fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and increase the soil fertility. Some bacteria promotes the conformation. The bacteria name is lactobacillus, and some microbes are used in baking industries. Some microbes are used to make antibiotics. Yeast is to make alcohol, and the other name of alcohol is ethanol. And some microbes are used to research uses of fungus. As a decomposer, fungus work this help to make antibiotics. And uses of algae. As a decomposer, as you know, algae are green plant, so they can suggest their own food and release of algae can supply water to the aquatic animals. And condition that promotes microorganisms in the condition of low sugar, low salt, moisture, and low acid promotes the microorganisms. And the next topic is fermentation. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. And next is antibiotics. The medicine kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. Such medicines are called antibiotics. And remember that these days a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. And antibodies, when a disease carrying to microbe enter our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. And the next is harmful of microorganisms. Microorganisms is harmful in many ways, such as they cause diseases in plants, human beings, and animals. The disease caused by microorganisms are called pathogens. There are two types of diseases: communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease, the disease is transfer from sick person to healthy person is called communicable disease. The disease does not transfer from sick person to healthy person is called non-communicable disease. And the example of communicable disease is flu, cold, and example of non-communicable disease is lung cancer and stomach pain, etc. And the next is preservation of microorganisms. There are two methods to preserve our food from microorganisms. First is dehydration, second is freezing, third is increasing temperature, and fourth is using preservation. First of all, we study about dehydration. The process of removal of water from the food item is known as dehydration. And the next is freezing. Microorganisms cannot survive themselves in very cold temperatures. So because of this, our food preserved from microorganisms. Increasing temperature, there are two methods. First is pasteurization and second is sterilization. Pasteurization is means heat the food item and quickly cool down. Microorganisms cannot be withstand this change. And sterilization, heat the food item for longer time. And the fourth one is using preservation. There are two methods, are natural and artificial. Natural such as sugar, salt, acid, and artificial such as sodium metabisulfite, sodium benzoate. And the last topic is nitrogen cycle. The atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plant or animal. Certain bacteria and root vegetables are present in the soil, takes the nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into compounds of nitrogen. It can be utilized by plant from the soil through their root system. Nitrogen is then used for synthesis of food, of plant protein and other compounds of nitrogen. Animals feeding on plants get these proteins and other nitrogenous compounds. When plants and animals die, the bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous wastage into nitrogenous compound to be used by plant again. So this process is called